Clouds form as a result of the condensation of water vapor in the Earth's atmosphere. Here's a step-by-step explanation of the process. 1. Evaporation. Water heats up. The sun's heat causes water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and soil to evaporate, turning liquid water into water vapor, a gas. Transpiration. Plants also release water vapor into the air through a process called transpiration. 2. Rising of warm air. Warm air rises. Water vapor, being lighter than air, rises along with warm air. This process is called convection. Cooling with altitude. As the air rises higher into the atmosphere, the temperature decreases because the atmosphere gets colder at higher altitudes. 3. Cooling and condensation. Cooling effect. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools to its dew point, the temperature at which air becomes saturated and cannot hold all the water vapor. Condensation. The water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals when it encounters microscopic particles like dust, pollen, or salt, called condensation nuclei. 4. Formation of clouds. The condensed water droplets or ice crystals group together and become visible as a cloud. These droplets are very small, with a typical diameter of about 0.01 millimetrum, which is why they remain suspended in the air. 5. Types of clouds. Depending on the altitude, temperature, and weather conditions, clouds can take different forms, such as cirrus clouds, high, wispy clouds made of ice crystals; cumulus clouds, fluffy, white clouds often associated with fair weather; stratus clouds, layered gray clouds that cover the sky, often bringing rain or snow. 6. Cloud growth. Coalescence. Small water droplets collide and merge into larger droplets. Precipitation. When the droplets become heavy enough, they fall as rain, snow, or hail, completing the water cycle. Summary cloud formation is a natural part of the water cycle, driven by solar energy. It begins with the evaporation of water, continues with the cooling and condensation of water vapor, and ends with the visible accumulation of tiny droplets or ice crystals that we see as clouds.